Does your West Virginia kitchen feel stuck in the past? It's time for a change. A kitchen isn't just where we cook. It's the heart of our home, where laughter and memories are made. Imagine custom cabinets that maximize every inch of your space, no matter how big or small your home is. These aren't just any cabinets. They're built to last with solid wood that can handle the hustle and bustle of daily life, whether you're in Charleston, Morgantown, or nestled in the mountains. And let's talk style. Whether you adore rustic charm or lean towards a sleek modern aesthetic, you can have cabinets that truly reflect your home's personality. Plus, think about smart storage solutions, pull-out drawers, built-in spice racks, and custom pantry shelving. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization. A better kitchen starts with the right cabinets, and Kitchens by Woody's knows what works for West Virginia homes. Ready to transform your space?